Joachim Kroll killed without fantasy. Psychologists describe him as cognitively impaired, socially isolated, and emotionally vacant. His crimes lacked symbolism or ideology. Violence was habit, not obsession. Kroll targeted opportunity. When alone, when unnoticed. There was no ritual, only repetition. Experts believe his behavior was sustained by extreme detachment. He did not see others as fully real. Hunger, both physical and emotional, drove his actions. What disturbed investigators most was the normalcy surrounding the violence. Escalation, reflection, just continuation. Kroll's case reminds psychologists that not all killers are complex. Somiari Emtenchek, Kyosh.